Hello and welcome to the Complete Beginner's Guide to Adobe After Effects. If you are a designer and looking to apply effects and transitions to your video, create animated logos, illustrations, or infographics, or simple video presentations, After Effects is the program to edit it. The tools in After Effects make it very easy to build video compositions, add video effects, and motion graphics to bring your presentations to life. Now, a lot of videos you see on YouTube and TV with animated sequences have been created using After Effects. This is the industry standard software for simple video animation, and I create all my videos in After Effects. Now, this course has been carefully created to bring you up to speed with the program. On this course, you will learn all the methods I use to create my videos. So, if you've never used After Effects before and wonder how the software works, and want to try some simple animation, this course is for you. So the topics that are going to be covered in this course are the basics. So whether you have the most up-to-date version of After Effects or you're using an older version, you should be able to follow along just fine. On this course, we will be starting from the very beginning and working our way across 48 episodes to learn all the basics and eventually put it all into practice and build a video presentation project together from scratch. Now, this may seem like a lot of episodes, but trust me, after this creative adventure, you will be able to use Adobe After Effects very proficiently. After watching this course, you will be able to create your very own video presentation in After Effects, ready to export and share. So, what are we going to create on this course? So in the last section of this course, section 3, we are going to create a 2D video presentation that could be used online or on TV. We are going to create an advert for a travel blog, and the theme will be 5 must-see venues in London. So why a video presentation? Well, a video presentation is a typical project that is created in After Effects. On this course, you will get the opportunity to experience what it takes to create a basic video presentation with animation, which can be used online or in broadcast. This creative exercise is going to include all the basic tasks a beginner will need to know. To create this project, we'll be working with all the common creative tools to edit video, apply video transitions and effects, create simple 2D animations, animate typography, animate still images, animate graphics made with other creative programs, and even synchronize an animation to audio. Now, as we create the video presentation, I will also be demonstrating how to manage the project in a smart way so everything is clear and organized. So let's take a look at the finished document. So here we are in Adobe After Effects, and here you are looking at the finished presentation document we are going to build up to. So here you can see the video playing in the preview window here in After Effects. Now, this video presentation includes a lot of design and illustrative elements, basic 2D animations, and video transitions. Along the way, we will be focusing on each part individually and see how it can all come together to finish a complete presentation. Once we have finished the presentation, we are then going to export the video to the correct format to be published online or used in broadcast. So to help break down the process, I have structured the course in 3 main sections. Section 1, Introduction, Section 2, Essential Practice, and Section 3, Create a Project. In the Introduction section, I'll be introducing you to After Effects and bringing you up to speed with some of the things you will need to be aware of before we continue on to the Essential Practice section. In the Essential Practice section, Section 2, we are going to look closely at some of the creative tools and principles in After Effects. Here you will have the opportunity to get hands-on with over 17 After Effects exercise documents I have designed and prepared especially for you to practice with. And when we get to the Creative Project section, Section 3, we will be using all that we have learned in the Essential Practice section to create a project from scratch. So to watch this course is free, and you can find the links to every episode in the description of each video. And if you wish to follow along with this course and get the full learning experience, you can download the entire project folder for a small fee. The download folder comes with lots of exercise documents we will be using on this course that have been carefully developed to aid your learning experience. The folder also comes with document resources such as videos, graphics, and images you can use to build your first video presentation from scratch later on in this course. To get the full learning experience, I recommend you get the project folder. Download link with instructions is in the description. Now, I also suggest you download the free PDF course index. You can save this to your computer and come back at any point. This is an interactive PDF which has been designed to enhance this course experience. This contains all the relevant video and project download links, as well as all the useful information referred to throughout the course. So I recommend you download this PDF. You can also find the downloadable link in the description. So before you start the course, I would recommend getting the PDF download and checking the What to Do First page. This will set you up ready to start the course with the course instructions, download instructions, and how to use the project folder. So once you have completed the to-do list, you will be perfectly set up to start the course. So that is an overview to this After Effects beginners course. Once you have downloaded the course PDF and the project folder, let's get into it. And we are going to begin with the first video in this course, where I'm going to talk a little bit more about After Effects and discuss the differences between Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere. So see you in the first video.